ChatGPT has rolled out a new feature called as tasks, which they call a one-time reminder for our recurring actions. And in this video, I will be explaining you what this feature is all about and how to use it. So let's get started. So first, let us begin with a simple question. What is this task feature? So this feature is a blend of three things, okay? First thing is a everyday to-do list app. Next one is going to be a reminder like an alarm clock. And the third thing is going to be a AI agentic work. So let me just explain you this with an example. So imagine I'm a person who wants to go to workout every single day at the morning, but I accidentally forget it. So what I can do is, now I can just go to ChatGPT and ask, hey ChatGPT, can you remind me to go to workout every morning at 9:30 a.m. and ChatGPT will create a task, which means it just adds in the memory somewhere we need to send notification to this person every day at 9:30 a.m. for him to go to gym. And this can also send email notifications. So it creates a task, and here you can see, got it, I will remind you every morning at 9:30. So it has created a task, and next day 9:30 comes, it gives a push notification like this, time to crush your workout, it's 9:30 a.m. So with the help of this, we are getting an AI assistant that reminds us about our workout, and not only gives us push notifications, it also gives us a motivational quote like this. So that's why I told you this is a mix of a to-do list app, a alarm clock or a reminder thing with the power of AI. So this is one of these features you can use for multiple things. So you'll be having the task icon on the search bar or the drop down. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but once you've created a task, this is how it will look. And if you want to create a task, you're going to add a name, and next is going to be the instruction, what ChatGPT has to tell you or gather information at that particular time. And you can even have a schedule. It can be weekly or monthly. You can fix the day of the week as well as the time. So we have weekly, monthly, annually. We have the schedule for that. For example, someone has given get Apple price stock. So imagine you are waking up, you want to have the Apple price stock in front of you in ChatGPT. If you just create this task, it will get automatically scheduled. You will be getting the price of Apple stock in front of you. And this feature has been currently rolled out to ChatGPT Plus, Pro and Teams users, and it is in beta mode, and eventually to everyone with a ChatGPT account. So in the future, everyone with a free ChatGPT account will be able to use this. That's super amazing. So this is about the task feature, and please let me know in the comments what you think about this, and do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.